Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper worm. The materials you need is a scissor, some color paper, any choice of yours, some double-sided tape that is really sticky, and some pega pen or your own glue. If you have double-sided tape, you don't need to use glue. If you don't have double-sided tape, you can use glue. Whatever option you have. I have both, so I want to use my double-sided tape. So first, you're going to cut a strip of your favorite color paper, and I already did, like this. Now we're going to be keeping this pink paper, this sheet aside. Now we're going to be folding it until it becomes crunchy. Just take this part and make it like a curve and just fold it like this. You can replay the video if you still don't understand or take help from your parents. Keep doing it till the top of the paper. Almost there. And we are done. We are going to cut this excess paper over here. Now we are going to open it and it will be like this. Now you can cut a square, triangle or any shape with your paper. I'm going to be cutting a square. Nice. We're going to make it a little straight so it will be even more nicer. Now we are going to cut the double-sided tape into the same size of shape you have. Since mine is a square, I am going to cut a square in the double-sided tape and keep it aside and take the double-sided tape and stick it in the square. Now what we are going to do is we are going to just press it and your favorite part, peeling off the backing. Even my favorite part is peeling off the backing. Look, as you can see, it's really shiny and I can show it close to you. Now we are just going to paste the square in the spring roll. I'm going to paste it here. Now with your pencil, you can add eyes, a nose, a mouth and whatever face you want. Now the paper worm is ready. Now we'll just draw a face on it. We are going to press it, draw a face on it. I'm going to draw cute eyes, cute little nose, a square nose and a mouth. And this is how it should look like. Bye bye everybody. See you.